Hi cuties, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes. Okay, let's get back to our maths class. Children listen. In the previous class we have studied subtraction. Yes, related to the word problems. Word problems. Subtraction. Is there no ma? Yes. In this class we have to learn about some book exercise. Okay, so all of you open your book, sharp your pencil, take your razor, keep it near to you. Listen. Okay, all of you open your maths book. Book page number 31. All of you take book page number 31, exercise 2.6. All of you take book page number 31, exercise 2.6. All of you have it taken. Book page number 31, exercise 2.6. Okay, Mama? All of you have it taken? Yes. See the question, exercise 2.6. Fill in the boxes. Yes, the question is fill in the boxes. Now we want to fill this one. Okay. Listen, what is this number? 4634. Yes, what is this number? 4634. One box is here is equal to 4634. What will come? What will come of this place? When 0 is added to a number, it gives the same sum as the number. Yes, already we have studied this property. When 0 is added to a number, it gives the same sum as the number. Okay, so the answer is 0. So the answer is 0. 4634 plus 0 is equal to 4634. Okay, then see the next one. 2134 plus 1. 2134 plus 1. What will come? 1 added to a number, it gives the successor of the number as the sum. Yes, 1 added to a number, it gives the successor of the number as the sum. What comes after 2134? The answer is 2135. The answer is 2135. Okay, wow. Now see the next one. 5349 plus 0. When 0 is added to a number, it gives the same sum as the number. So the answer is 5349. So the answer is 5349. Then 1435 plus 1923 is equal to 1923 plus what will come of this place? Changing the order of the addends in an addition sum does not change the answer. Already we have studied this one. Yes. Changing the order of the addends in the addition sum does not change the answer. So this one already they are given. Now we have to write this one. Okay. So the answer is 1435. So the answer is 1435. Then see the next one. 3459 57 plus box 3458. 1 added to a number, it gives the successor of the number as the sum. Yes, here 57, if we are adding with 1 means we will get 3458. Okay, Mama? Can you understand? Yes. First one answer 0. Right? All of you open your book and write this one. The first one answer 0. Second one answer 2135. Third one answer 5349. 5349. Fourth one answer 1435. 1435. And the fifth one answer is 1. All of you have understand? All of you have written? Yes. See the second one, add. See the second one, add. Add means கூட்டல். Okay. Add means கூட்டல். Add is here 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 sum is today's homework. Okay, va? You write it here, homework. W homework. Okay, va? Add first, second, third and fourth. This 4 sum is today's homework. You do it in your maths book. This 4 sum is today's homework. You do it in your maths book. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Then see the fifth one. Create word problem for the addition facts given below. Create word problem for the addition facts given below. Did you find? Page number 31, fifth sum. Create word problem for the addition facts given below. Create word problems for the addition facts given below. Okay. First one already they are given. We want to find the second one. Okay. Now we will subtract these two numbers means we will get the answer. Okay. Use your pencil to write it beside 8309 minus 2309. Okay, va? Now subtract 9 minus 9 0, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 3 0 and 8 minus 2. This number and subtract this number. Okay, va? 9 minus 9 0, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 2 6. Okay, so the answer is 6000. So the answer is 6000. Okay, Mama? 31 page, fifth sum. The B question answer is 6000. All of you have written? Yes. Take the next page, book page number 32. Have to listen. See the next one, book page number 32. Book page number 32. See the sixth sum. Create addition stories using the pictures and the numbers given below. Create addition stories using the pictures and the numbers given below. Okay, you want to write here WH80 watt, ISS, SUM sum, OFF, THED, PRICE price, TWO2, BAGS bags. question mark. Okay, create addition stories using the pictures and the numbers given below. This is the answer. Okay, this one is the answer for this sum. What is sum of the price 2 bags? What is the sum of the price 2 bags? What is the sum of the price 2 bags? This is the answer. Okay, then see the second one, B sum. See the second one, B. Okay, now this one is we want to make the question. The first one, how many children, H-O-W, how, M-A-N-Y, many children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N-S, children's, E-R-E-R, T-H-E-R-E, there, I-N-N, T-H-E-D, urban, U-R-B-A-N, urban. They are given one box. Yes, child birth between 2017 and 2018 are given below. Child birth between 2017 and 2018 are given below. District and children: Tiruchi, Ariyallur, Kanchipuram and Chennai. Yes, 4 districts name they are given. Then urban and rural. Okay. Tiruchi, Ariyallur, Kanchipuram and Chennai. They are given 4 districts names and children's details also they are given. Now the question is, how many children are there in the urban? Then the second question. How many children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N-S, children's, A-R-E-R, T-H-E-R-E, there, in, R-U-R-A-L, rural. Okay, this is the answer for the B question. How many children are there in the urban? How many children are there in rural? Okay, do you understand? Then see the 7th question. Fill in the circles using 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 and 1900, so that the 3 numbers along each line add up to 5000. Fill in the circles using 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 and 1900, so that the 3 numbers along each line add up to 5000. Okay, now you write it here. First, 1900, 1900, then 1400, 1700, 1800, 1500. Here 1600. Okay, Mama. 1900. It starts from the 1900. One thousand 1400, 1700, 1800, 1500 and 1600. Okay, wow. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Then see the next page, book page number 33. All of you take book page number 33. See the 8th sum. All of you take book page number 33, the 8th sum. Okay, listen. Fill in the box with appropriate number. Fill in the box with appropriate number. If you are adding these two numbers, then we will get this answer. Okay, Mama? Inge irukku number add panna inga ulla answer kedaikum. Now what will come of this place? Now I want to subtract this one. Okay, you write here and subtract 2051. 2051 minus 1732. 2051 minus 1732. Shall we subtract this one? Cut and write here 11. This one 4. Okay, 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 7. 0. It will become 10. Here 1. Okay, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, 3. So 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 319. So the answer is 319. Okay, Mama? If you add these two numbers, you will get this one. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரை add பண்ணா உனக்கு இந்த answer கிடைக்கும். Okay. Then see the next one, activity, that same page, book page number 33. Write the missing numbers. Book page number 33. Activities there, yes. Write the missing numbers. Okay, shall we find this one? Okay, start the first sum. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Yes, but they are given 14. 4 here. So 14. Okay, va? Now we have 10, but we want 14. So you write here 4. Okay, now see here. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 4 is here. Remaining 1, you carry over to the tens column. Okay, ma? Now you add this one. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus, here 17 will come, yes, 7. So 17 varno. Appo எத்தனை number add பண்ணனும்? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 is a two-digit number. 7 you write here. First here 14. Okay. So you cut 4 right here. 1 you carry over to the next column. Then second one 17. Cut 7 right here. Remaining 1 you carry over to the hundreds column. Okay, yeah? Shall we add this one? Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13. Cut 3 right here. Remaining 1 you carry over to here. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, va? Do you understand? Okay, then see the second sum. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Is that no ma? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. One's place completed. Then 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So you write here 7. Remaining 1 you carry over to the hundreds column. Okay, well, now add the hundreds column. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 7, 17. Then you want how many number? 5. You write here 5. Okay, now you add 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. You write here 22. Cut to right here. Remaining 2 you carry over to the thousand column. Okay, now you add this two number. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, wow, the answer is right. 9276. Okay, write this one. All of you see the book and write this one. Write neatly. Can you understand what I am saying? Yes, I hope you have understood. All of you have written? Yes. Take the next page. All of you take book page number 34. All of you take book page number 34. Exercise 2.7. All of you take book page number 34. Exercise 2.7. The second question. See the second question. Find the total amount of the following 4 piggy banks. Add the total amount of the following 4 piggy banks. Yes. Now we want to add these 4 numbers. Okay. Shall we do this one? The first one, 978. Second one, 3796. Third one, 2374. And the fourth one, 1957. Now we want to add this 4 piggy banks. Okay, shall we do this one? Okay, all of you listen. All of you listen. Add the ones column. Okay, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 25. So you cut and write here 5. Remaining 2 you carry over to the tens column. Okay. Now you add these two numbers. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16. Yes. 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7. 22. 16 plus 7. 22. 23. Yes. Then 23 plus 5. 23 plus 5. 23 plus 5, 28. But here another 2 is here. Yes, 28 plus 2, 30. Right, cut 0 right under the hundreds column. Remaining 1 you carry over to the right 3. Remaining 3 you carry over to the hundreds column. Okay, Mama? Then add the next one. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. Yes. Then 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 31. So you write here 31. Remaining 3 you carry over to the thousands column. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So the total amount of the piggy bank is 9,105. So the total amount of the piggy banks is 9,105. Okay, Mama? The answer is total amount of the following 4 piggy banks. The amount is 9,105. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Yes. Then see the next one, the third sum. See the next one, the third sum. The sum of 1215 plus 2367 plus 1673 plus 3123. Add the ones column. Okay, wow. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes. So, you write here 15, 5. Remaining 1 you carry over to the tens column. Okay, wow. See here all the numbers end with 5. So, add the tens column. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Yes. So, write 7. Remaining 1 you carry over to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds column here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So you write 3, remaining 1. Okay. So the answer is 8,375. Where is it? The answer is here. Okay, well, the third one answer is 8,375. Then see the fourth sum. 2076 plus 276 plus 2974 plus 1751. Now we want to add these numbers. Okay. First we add the ones column. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6, 17. Yes. So 7. Remaining 1. Then 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. 26 plus 1, 26 plus 1, 27. Remaining 2. Then add the hundreds column. 7 plus 9. 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 0, 18. Then 18 plus 2 is 18 plus 2. 19 and 20. Yes. So you write here 0. Remaining 2. Add the thousands column. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. Okay. So the answer is B. So the answer is B. Okay. Then what is the sum of 515 tens? Okay, all of you listen. See the book. All of you listen. What is the sum of 515 tens? What will come? The sum of 500s. 500 plus 15 tens. 15 10 means 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. Yes, 10 ones is equal to 1 tens. Now 15 tens, what will come? 15 10 means 150. Yes. So now you add this one. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 5 5. 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 650. Where is it? The A option is 650 years. So you mark it. Then see the next one. The sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is. The sum of the greatest 3-digit number. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now add this two numbers. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 0 9. Remaining 1. Where is the answer? The A one. Okay, the option A. Then 9999 plus 1 is equal to what will come? What will come? 9999 plus 1, 10,000. The A option. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Yes. Then see the next one, book page number 35. All of you see the next one, book page number 35, exercise 2.8. All of you take book page number 35, exercise 2.8. Some subtraction sum is here. Shall we do this one? Okay. See the first sum. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Then 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4. Then we will get 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay, wow. So the answer is 6341. Then see the second sum. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 4, 3. So the second one answer is 3462. The second one answer is 3462. Then see the next sum. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 2323. So the answer is 2323. Okay, Mama. The first one answer is 6341. First one answer 6341. The second one answer is 3462. And the third one is 2323. Okay, Mama. Do you understand? Then see the next one. Book page number 37. Book page number 37, exercise 2.3c. Book page number 37, Exercise 2.3c. All of you have taken 4 subtraction sum is there. Yes. Do you find? That is today's homework. HW homework. Okay, va? Exercise 2.3c. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 sum is today's homework. Did you mark this one? Yes. Then see the next one. See the D question. Create the subtraction story problems for the details given below. Create the subtraction story problems for the details given below. The first one answer is subtracted. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract it. And the second one answer is, what is the difference between, right here, W-H-A-T, what, I-S-S, T-H-E-D, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. What is the difference between the B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between the price, P-R-I-C-E, price of 2 bags, T-W-O, 2, B-A-G-S, bags. Question mark. What is the difference between the price of 2 bags? What is the difference between the price of 2 bags? This is the answer. Okay, Mama? All of you have written. Then see the next page, page number 38. Take the next page, book page number 38. All of you have taken book page number 38. 2 buildings are here. Yes. How many buildings? 2 buildings. Now you have to make the problems. Okay. Shall we make? Okay. Write the question. What is the difference between W-H-A-T, what, I-S-S, T-H-E-D, what is the difference? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. What is the difference between the height of B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between the height, H-E-I-G-H-T, height of T-W-O, 2 buildings, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G-S, buildings. Okay, wow. What is the difference between the height of 2 buildings? All of you have written? Yes. Then see the next one. Number puzzle. Number puzzles. On heading is here. Yes. All of you have taken. How many sums are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 sums are today's homework. The 9 sums are today's homework. Okay. Already I am given some homeworks. Yes. Addition 4 sums. Then subtraction 4 sums. And page number 38. This 9 sums. Book page number 31. 4 sums. 4 sums. Yes, book page number 31. 4 sums are there. That is addition sums. Okay, book page number 31. That is addition sum. That's homework. Then book page number 37. 4 subtraction sums are there. Yes, book page number 37. 4 subtraction sums are there. That is homework. Then book page number 38. 8 sums are there. That's one also today's homework. All of you write neatly. Do it your homework properly. Okay. Next one we will see the next class. Take care children. Thank you. Bye.